Hi, welcome to Juristic Academy's YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about important case laws for the month of June 2023. These are particularly important if you're preparing for CLAT PG examination because we only focus on those cases which are from the syllabus for CLAT PG. Now please understand that the whole month of June there was a vacation at Supreme Court, so we didn't have any major important judgments because there was only a vacation bench sitting. So there are only around 4 important judgments that could be considered to be relevant for CLAT PG exam. So let's start with the first case for the month of June. The first judgment is the case of Coal India Limited versus Competition Commission of India. In this case, the two-judge bench of the court held that the Coal India Limited will be covered under the ambit of the Competition Act 2002. So the problem arose because the Coal India Limited has been nationalized under the nationalization scheme. So the issue was that whether it will be covered under the ambit of Competition Act or not. So the court said that despite being a public sector undertaking, it will be covered under the Competition Act, and Coal India Limited does not carry any sovereign functions per se. Now coming to the second important case, we have the case of A. Srinivasulu versus State represented by Inspector of Police. In this two-judge bench case, the Supreme Court was reiterating the requirement of sanction for prosecution of public servants under Section 197 of CRPC. So the court said that it could basically reiterate that for prosecuting public officers under Section 197(1) of CRPC, sanction is required even when the case is of the official acting in excess of his official duties. So even if it is a case of, let's say, fraud committed by the public servant, sanction of the central government will still be required under Section 197 of CRPC. In the next case of Hasmukhlal Madhavlal Patel versus Ambika Food Products Private Limited, this is an important case on commercial laws. So in this case, a two-judge bench was deciding about the allotment of additional shares under the Companies Act. So in this case, the court held that the decision to allot additional shares cannot be set aside merely because promoters have also benefited from that. So the court said that directors may also benefit from a decision which is taken primarily with the intention to promote the interest of the company, and just because the directors or the promoters have also benefited, that will not vitiate the decision. Lastly, in the case of Indian Oil Corporation versus Ajit Kumar Singh and another, the court was talking about the power of judicial review in administrative actions. So in this case, the court held that judicial review cannot be exercised to reappreciate evidence in departmental proceedings. So the court was talking about the limitations that exist on a constitutional court while exercising the power of judicial review. So the court said that in that power, the court cannot decide the case as if it was the first stage of the case. So this brings us to the end of our video on important case laws for the month of June 2023. If you like this video, please like and share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.